Go.
Alright, I think that's all the airport. Your exhaust is loud.
You hear the turbo spool there?
It's not very loud, dude.
It's not. I swear your car was louder.
It was.